Today we'll see 5 topics. The first one is NIMHANS. The full form of NIMHANS is National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, and this is located in Bangalore in the state of Karnataka. And this is important because this is the apex center. This is the topmost center for mental health and neurosciences education in India. So, as this is the apex center, this is important in this regard. And this is working autonomously. It means it is independent, and it is under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Needless to mention, this is dealing about health, so it is under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. And the second topic is ICCR. The full form of ICCR is Indian Council of Cultural Relations. So it is dealing with these cultural relations of India with other countries. It was set up in the year 1950, and the founder was Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. And as we know, he is the first education minister of India and the first president of ICCR also. And what does this do? This formulates and implements some policies and programs. That is its job. For external cultural relations, India must have good cultural relations with the external world, with other countries. So, for this, in this regard, in this view, and for this matter, external cultural relations was its theme of ICCR, and it is working in this direction with formulation and implementation of policies and programs. And the third thing is Flag Hoisting Day of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So the Flag Hoisting Day of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is celebrated every year on December 30th. So the first celebration, the first year was in 1943. It got its independence. The first flag, the tricolor flag, was hoisted on these islands in the year 1943, 4 years prior to what we had here. And the first flag was hoisted by Subhash Chandra Bose. You know about Subhash Chandra Bose. And with the help of Japanese forces, and Japanese forces helped us to get this flag hoisting day done on 1943 by and also fighting against British to do this. So Japanese forces ought to be remembered in this regard. And that was held, this flag hoisting first one was held at Gymkhana grounds in Port Blair. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, capital city. And the recent one was in 2019, that is the 76th flag hoisting day for the islands. And as you know, Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a union territory of India. So you have a lieutenant governor for the union territories. So of this islands is Admiral D.K. Joshi, and he hoisted the recent flag hoisting day. He hosted it. And in this regard, we also must know about two organizations, Indian National Army and Indian Independence League. And Indian Independence League was set up by Subhash Chandra Bose. He is one of the founders. And Indian National Army, you very much know about it. And these two organizations produced so many veterans to fight for Indian independence. So we also respect these island veterans who fought against the British to get this first flag hoisting day done, and who gave up their lives. On this day we remember them, Indian National Army personnel and Indian Independence League personnel. And the fourth topic is NSCC, National Shooting Championships Competition. So shooting is a sport, and the recent one was the 63rd NSCC that was held, that was in 2019. Though it is in 2019, it started on 7th December and prolonged till 4th January of 2020 also. But this is the 63rd one, and the host was Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. And this was under NSCC was formed under NRAI, National Rifle Association of India. We have this association for this particular sport of shooting. To promote this sport of shooting in India, we have National Rifle Association of India. So the National Rifle Association was founded in the year 1951, and Mavlankar was the first was the founder of National Rifle Association of India, and to know about him is the first speaker, Lok Sabha speaker of India. So you can remember about this point too about him. First Lok Sabha speaker of India, Mavlankar. He's also the first president and the founder of National Rifle Association of India. And what does this do? This promotes and popularizes this sport of shooting. And also you have to remember about one other association, Indian Olympic Association, so which looks after our Olympic issues. There is an association, and shooting is very much in Olympics, and this NRAI is very much associated, is very much in contact with Indian Olympic Association. And the last topic is WBCC, World Blitz Chess Competition. So chess is a game we know, and in 2019, the recent World Blitz Chess Championship was conducted at Moscow. So this is important. And since 2012, every year, this World Blitz Chess Championship is conducted every year since 2012. And the conducting field, the head is FIDE, Federation International des Echecs. Federation International des Echecs, it's a French word. I don't think we need to remember, but okay. This is the topmost supreme head under which these chess competitions, championships, and competitions are held. And this was founded in 1924 at Paris. FIDE. We find about this. We find this word now and then in newspapers also. And the headquarters of FIDE are at Switzerland, and though it is founded in Paris, the headquarters are in Switzerland. So this looks after about this sport, this game called chess, and the recent one, Moscow. It is conducted annually. This FIDE not only conducts World Blitz Chess Championships, it conducts various other chess championships too. And today we learned about WBCC for now. Thank you.